Stock alerts ticker. $PLRZ entry. $7.07 change. 123.73% volume. 252.4 AVG reason. Polyrizon's PLRZ stock is surging due to the announcement of successful manufacturing upscaling for its nasal spray. Platform target 1 to 7.94, target 2 to 8.38, target 3 to 8.81, stop loss 6.63 ticker. $EB entry. $4.43 change. 77.91% volume. 22.3 AVG reason. Eventbrite's stock price is surging due to its acquisition agreement with Bending Spoons, target 1. 4.7, target 2 to 4.84, target 3 to 4.97, stop loss 4.36 ticker. $FTEL entry. $1.77 change. 47.49% volume. 20.8 AVG reason. FTEL is moving up sharply today due to the announcement of an interim dividend and a shareholder loyalty program, target 1 to 2.1, target 2 to 2.27, target 3 to 2.43, stop loss 1.69 ticker. $TAOP entry. $3.02 change. 41.07% volume. 65.0 AVG reason. TAOP is moving today due to the announced letter of intent to acquire Alphalion Holding, boosting its AI capabilities, target 1 to 3.5, target 2 to 3.74, target 3 to 3.98, stop loss 2.9 ticker. JSPR entry. $2.04 change. 18.60% volume. 70.9 AVG reason. JSPR is moving today due to positive preliminary data from its ETESIA and asthma study, target 1 to 2.38. Target 2 to 2.55, target 3 to 2.72, stop loss 1.96.